Hi guys, in this series I'll be solving many programming questions from a beginner to an intermediate level, and I'm going to use C++. I'm using the Visual Studio Code, and you'll find a link in the description to download it and how to set it up in order to work with C++. So the first question we're going to solve is this. Write a program which calculates expression n power n, where n is an integer filled by the user. So let's start by displaying a message to the user, enter a number, and let's put an end line. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new variable called n, and I'll initialize it to 0, and then I'll take the number from the user and store it inside n. Now I'll make another variable called result, and I'll initialize it to 1, and in this variable I will store the n power n. So let's make a for loop that runs from I equals 1 till I is less than or equal n, and I will increment I. Inside this loop I will assign result to result times n. This can be also written as result times equals n. So in this loop, result will be multiplied by n times, because we are running this loop from I equal 1 till I equal n. So in the first iteration, result will be equal to 1 times n, so result is equal to n. In the second iteration, result will be equal to n squared. And in the third iteration, result will be equal to n cubed. And this will continue until the nth iteration, where result will be equal to n power n. So now let's just display result, and let's test the program. So I'm going to enter, let's say 4, and I get 256, which is 4 power 4. So this is it for this question. If you like to support me, you can find a link for my Patreon account in the description. See you in the next video.